Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Jade, today in real life. Just down there thinking to see the manor, Lidane Manor I think its name is. Her name is. She's going to be getting restored some point soon. Anyway, bit odd me today, I'm on a heritage line. Well, it's not odd at all. Right. Today we're on a very special video which I thought why not do. We're going to explore a abandoned line. So you've been thinking, why am I at a heritage line? Well, there's more than meets the eye at this heritage line. So at one point there was another line just where the timetable is. So I don't have much history about this line, but we'll talk about the history about this line in a minute. And let's walk down through the subway to see basically Churston station. Just leaving, coming out of the tunnel at Churston's train station. There's the manor again, waiting her restoration. They're getting her, no, not restoration, waiting to be rebuilt, I think. Not sure, but all I know, she's been sat there for a little while now. The visitor centre, a few packs and presents over there, and yeah, I think just see the station. I think, not sure. I don't really know where the best place to actually go is to see it, other than that bridge up there, but I don't really want to. So, let me get my little piece of paper. Churston Station. Opened on the 14th of March 1861. Originally called Brixton Road. As most railways back then, like with Brunel, it was built on broad gauge. And it was converted to standard gauge, which is what it is now, on the 21st of May 1892. The name changed from Brixham Road to Churston Station when the Brixham branch opened, hence why it's so relevant. The line itself, the line to Brixham, closed to basically. So the line closed on 13 May 1963. Sunday trains no longer stopped at Churston. So the line towards Paint to where we're going to walk to today, that was closed on the 13th of May 1963. Freight stopped in 14th of June 1965. There's a signal box at Churston which closed in 1968. There's a little history lesson for you. Let's have a little look around, if I can. How should I go? This proves I have no idea how to get around this place. So I'll meet you when I get by this, just by the station. Yeah. All I've got to do is walk down here. There's the buses, packs and presents. What is next, London? I think two of them have, I think it's like one or two of them have the doors like that one over there. Well, the others don't. I need to be quiet on that. And yeah, I think I'll be on one. And let's walk towards the station. See if I'm in. There's Sir Daniel Gough. That's where the texture and pointer 2 used to sit. Just look out, here is the station platform. I think it's only this one that's in use. Platform 1 or platform 2 just, I don't know. Over there is D2192. Where those trolley things, and Braveheart over there. Now I want to see if I can get on the platform for a little look around. And that Plymouth City bus is used as a spare zone. Oh, there's the Marks and Spencer's bus from past. And then there's the from the other ones. The lovely buses, I think I've been on once. It's about one of the open toppers, which God knows where they are. Anyway, the station is currently closed until further notice, so sadly I cannot go in. The bus to Brixham. Anyway, let's have a little walk to the other side and see what we see. Yeah. Just went over the bridge, just have a little walk over. Won't actually go in because obviously it's technically classed as trespassing. Over there is this school at Churston. I think it's like Churston Grammar or something. Anyway, there's a stagecoach. And yeah, there's another view of the diesels. The two diesels. I think one of them are. Both of them are. Let's have a little waddle over and see what we see. Obviously about trespassing, of course. Yep, there's a little bit of view of the D2192, and now wherever it is behind it. That shed stairs for the buses. It's getting all maintained and stuff. There's two buses over there. I think it was 2 out of 4. No, it's got a few open toppers. I think they got about 2 open toppers and 3 closed tops. Well, we've got 3 closed tops over there. But let's start walking down the actual line and let's do some history. Third time over the bridge we go. And yeah. Oh, we start recording when we get near to a landmark. With more history, of course. Oh, lovely birds. So, a little history about the Brixton branch. Once ran in board gauge, obviously, I think most branches were. Opened on either 27th or 28th of February in 1864. But then we went until June of that year. And yeah. It was independent, but ran with then South Devon Railway staff on and it was financed by this bloke, which I'll tell you later, and eventually his family ran it. Anyway, most of the time I'm walking quite close to the. I definitely have to put my boots with me and not. Oh. Well, I have to put my boots with me so I don't trod on anything per se unwanted. Anyway, we record. We'll see when we get to the first landmark. There's about 3 or 4 landmarks. I thought we were getting close to it. Well, we kind of are, but we're kind of not. See you in a jiff. Just arriving at our first landmark, Bridge Road Bridge. It's very fitting name, isn't it? This bridge was obviously where the train will go underneath after sneaking from Churston, which is now built up by houses. and continued onwards to Narrow Shrubbery. Nice! Oh yeah. Yeah, we'll probably see little cars though coming through because obviously wherever there's no built or something. So we got 2 more landmarks, then that'll be it until we get to this bridge. Sounds like fun. See you in a minute. There's what's the old abutment, and obviously went on an incline. Anyway, the chap that financially on a book. Hi, miss. Was Brixham solicitor Richard Churston, and because of traffic, financially broke him. Ran by his family until sold to the GWR for half of the 2,400, I think, or £24,000. The cost of built in 1883. Let's continue down towards the other landmarks. Mind you, I actually thought that I almost missed where everything is, but obviously I didn't. But there's some nice houses down here. A bit pricey for my looking. I give up these cars, trust me, I really do. Besides, be careful, recording is in progress. Ow! The bunch attacked me! The bunch just attacked me. Serious breach. More cars. I give up. God. Ooh, I think we're arriving at the second landmark before going right into this, away from civilization. I think. Yes, it is. This is the Elbury Lane Bridge. Obviously, basically, because farm machinery obviously goes through it, they had no choice. What they did was they basically destroyed the bridge. And the only things that were made today are 2 stumps. That once was Elbury Bridge. At one point, but you'll see trains going through there at perhaps 25 miles per hour. Depends on how fast the line speed was. There's one train going up and down. It would be lovely going on that branch if it's still available today. But mind you, if it was still running today, it would only be used by the Heltis line. Because obviously, yeah. Let's continue down this road all the way down to the next one. Yeah, you can easily see the embankment up in the trees. I do recommend this lovely walk. Well, I kind of do, but I kind of don't. Mainly because of amount of traffic, and what they could do is actually do the run on the abandoned the embankment. But obviously they'll have to reinstate that Elbury Lane Bridge, which I don't think the farmers who own that would want that. Well, I hear a car coming. Doing it. Ooh, I can see an old church. Let me know what church that is in the comment section. I may do some research about it too. Now, rather with God knows what's on my feet, is... Oh, I forgot. Where's my paper? Churston Ferns Bridge. Still somehow intact. There's obviously a restriction on how tall you have to be to go in. I am currently near enough the height. Let's walk over. Yeah, there it is. Then the line will turn eventually down, and there's another bridge we'll be going to momentarily. When beat that bridge, that'll be probably the end of the video, and I can walk home without something. There, there's some that will be 22555. Don't know what that means. Yeah. I'll see you when I'm at Bob. Now we are just walking away from the line because we physically can't walk past it any longer. Thanks to the road obviously turning into a T-junction just down there. We're back with it momentarily at our final destination, which is another bridge over nothing. So, yeah. Let me know your thoughts. Would you want me to do this more or not? I'm only planning my own expedition, but haven't we're properly planned out as in route and stuff. Because obviously this was easy because all I had to do was get a map. Seriously, sum it up. I already planned. I wouldn't have planned it to go in Brixton. Well, obviously that'll take too long, but maybe, just maybe, I'll find where the old station is and go there. And yeah, you know what? We'll do that. We'll find the old station where the main old station is, and yeah. Oh God, why does that have to be a hill? A hill! Oh, the shame of it! Oh, the shame of it! Oh, another car. Okay guys, I think I'm just arriving at our last stop. And another car coming. Oh my lord. When's it gonna stop all these vehicles? Oh man, none more vehicles. Yeah, this is the final bridge. Oh my lord, finally here. We are at the Corbythorpe Road Bridge. Liverpool Club road traffic goes through, obviously because they're going to Brixham. I am not going to continue walking to Brixham, however. The line continues off that way towards Brixham. I would have continued walking on that path, but because of sadly, I don't know if it's legal for me to go through or not. I am not. The bridges are probably over there, I think. No, I'll be coming through here and through there. That's the plan of it. So there was we. So one driver and fireman worked on a 15-hour shift with one engine for 6 days. So there weren't any Sunday services. So probably that's why. So probably people wanted to go through, needed to use a bus. We converted to standard gauge in 1896, and signal improvements meant only one train could run at a time. Let these cars move and I'll walk down over there. Let's have a quick waddle. Well, there is someone here, I think. Don't know what they're doing though. Walked down here a little bit, see the bridge. Now the bridge over nothing. I don't think I'm allowed to go through the gate because the gate's obviously shut. And I don't think there's a farmer going to be all like, "You dog kids, get off my property." So yeah, we'll stand here. There's the Nile Bridge. Obviously nothing in it. And the line obviously went through here. Which is now a pathway to a field full of sheep. So, water came from the leat until 1910. Until water mains were installed. Pasture numbers stayed at a good number. Stayed beyond until World War II, despite competition from buses. But the downfall was with coal shortages in 1951 and never came back. I think that's it for the little history lesson. 1961 came with a single DMU when it came to desalination. So single DMU well car was used to play steam, and the yard didn't close until beaching. So I want to say thank you very much for watching. If you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. Actually, I will do that, actually. Never mind. I'll do it when I get on the bus. Anyway, I'll see you when I go on the bus for the outro. Anyway, guys, I'm pretty much on a bus to Brixham to find the now abandoned Brixham train station. And then that'll be the end of the video. Oh yeah. Destination board work now. That's pretty nice. Anyway, see you when you get to Brixham. Hey guys, now I'm in Brixham. I'm just going up Station Hill now. I'm exhausted. Hopefully it's far now. I'll have to check Google Maps in a minute. Okay guys, we are at High Brixham. Oh. Nice car there, TT. Let's walk over here before the pub. Oh, I need to sit down. So, just here is the station approach. Basically, and obviously just over there is the station, or what remains of the station of Brixham. It's obviously a bit quiet. Don't know if everyone's in bed or not. So let's continue walking. I've got Google Maps up on my phone. Oh, I'm recording my phone, so yeah. Let's have a little more further walk. We're literally almost there, so I won't bother cutting. Then we can say we've basically explored the whole of the Brixton branch at last. Oh my god. Oh, this is the first Celsius line checked off the bucket list. Let's see. This will be fun to edit. Almost there. The only time I've been in Brixton is for school. That's pretty much it. We are now at what was Brixton railway station. It's all been built up. Very sad there's been more built up though. Don't think there's much. Yeah. Want to say thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. And see you next video. Bye for now.